Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video, I will explain how to make my timetable in a student side. Means student side we have already done, so is a teacher side. So you can see it here, student side we have made last time my timetable, and I already log in the admin account here in new browser. So you can see this student I will log in here, and I can show here the my timetable. So home economic, what is the my timetable, like week, start time, end time, room number. So you can see it here we did inside academies. Inside you can go class timetable, and you can search here part time, you can search here subject name. So we ever did here the entry about the class timetable. So in this video I will show you how to make a teacher side, because we did the admin side and we did in a student sides. So we need to sort out in a teacher side. So first of all I need to log in any teachers. So let's go to teachers accounts, and I log in this teacher. So let's make a edit password 123456, because right now I don't know what's the password. Okay, I will change the passwords. I am going to like a student one, and I log out student accounts, and I log in as a teachers accounts. Okay, is now logins, and I also open the assign class teachers. So we can see it here, like here class subject timetable. So you can see it here is a class id and subject id. So this subject id and class id wise we can get like a week id, like we have already create like a week tables. You can see it like a Monday, Tuesday, this is the, and we can go again back to class timetables. So here we add like a start time, end time, which we had a room number. So I already log in is like a teacher's account. So just you need to go my class and students, means subjects. So here is this teacher have not assigned anything. So let's go to admin account, and I can assign for this teacher some, means this is the some timetables. Like go to is what is the teachers, like this teacher is go to academies, go to assign class teachers. So I can go to add new, and I can choose like one, because we are it earns, and I choose the part-time active status and submit. Okay, so I assign some classes, means class with subjects. So let's go to back again teacher side, and I refresh the page. So I can see it. Okay, not found. So what is the issue? Let's go to back again teachers accounts. So what is the id? Teachers force. Okay, I log in the teacher force. I just go to add new again. I choose teacher force, and I part time submit, and let's go back again. So refresh the page. So you can see it part time is like all the subject name showing, because we have did last some videos. So please check like some videos so you can understand how to work this all the process. So in this video I will explain my timetable. So here you can see like a part-time class id, and here is a subject id. This class id and this subject id against we can get the my timetable. So we can put here action, and here we can put one button my class timetable. So let's go to code and do the work. So just go to resources, inside views, inside you need to go like teachers. Inside you can see is my class subjects. Okay, so code opening, just one. Let's make some zoom outs and go downs, and here we can make a one button like a action, and here we can also create a one button for the my class timetable. So just here a my class timetable. So he can get it for this class id, means the class name, and subject name wise getting the one button after you click on. So we can pass one id class timetable. What I write, let's go to layouts. Inside we can go like headers. So we can write a proper words, because we don't want to different words every place. So just you can use class timetable. Okay, just write like this words, class my class timetables. And here we can make one class, because we are using the bootstrap theme, so you can use it like a direct one class. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it one button inside action my class timetables. So we can create a new routes like here URLs, and we can copy teacher my class subject slash class timetable. Why we are using this one? Because this is the one we are used for segment. This is when we are showing always active class, so we always using my class subject because we know, okay, this is the part of the my class subjects. Okay, now we can pass here id, so just slash, we need to pass one parameter, so we need this id, just we are passing like id. Okay, I think it's good. Now let's go back again, refresh the page. Okay, I click on the my class timetable, so you can see the page not found because we have not created routes. Just go to routes, inside go to web.php, and now you can go to teacher middleware. So this is the teacher middleware, so just copy and just change here class timetable, and here you can pass here id because this is the one parameter we have passed. So here you can change the controller because we are using the same controller about class timetable, just class timetables, and here we can change class timetable. Here same thing, my timetable, so here you can change my timetable teacher, so we know, okay, this is the teacher part. So just go to this controller, you need to go app http controller, inside you can see is a class timetable controller. Go to just last, and here you can create a one function like teacher size. I make a one comment functions, and here we have already passed like a one id, so let's make a dd and check we are getting the data, not getting the data. Okay, so let's refresh the page. Okay, I think we have created a not method, just save again, go back again and refresh the page, so we can see, okay, now working very well. You can see we have get the idea of the class timetables, means this is the table we are getting the id assign class teachers. So I can go to assign class teachers, so I get this id 26, so this is the id we will get inside 3 class id and subject id. Where is the subject? Okay, this is the subject id 3 against whatever id there inside, you need to go like class subjects, so you can see it here like 3 numbers id 3, so this is the subject id 6, you can see it here. Okay, I think now is clear. So let's go back again and we can get the data about the subject id and class id. So let's make one query here. Otherwise, do you want to do like a best way, so you don't want to make a query, just you can type here like class id, and you can pass another parameter here like a subject id. So we don't want to make any query dot, here you can make a like subject id, subjects id. So first of all we need to check where is the we are getting the data. Okay, so let's go to back again controller, just back again my class subjects, and here we can go routes, here you can see my class subjects. So we are going to assign class teacher controller, inside you need to go for this model assign class teachers, here is the class name, here is the subject name. So we need to pass here another 2 parameter like class dot id as a class name, class id, and also you can pass like this subject dot id as a subject id. So let's remove and just you can change here subject dot id subject id. Okay, let's go to back to list. So we are getting here class id, also we are getting the subject id same as a class name and subject name. In this query wise I can show you, you can see it here before we have made this query. So do you want to understand how to work this query, so please check our old videos. Okay, now everything is good, just go to backs and go to web.php and just here change like a class id, because the first is the class id, second we can pass here subject id because we are passing the 2 parameters. So let's go to back again to controller, here my class subjects the teacher side. So let's make, I made a mistake here. Okay, not made a mistake, just copy and create a new one. I think last time I have removed here. Let's close, I think. Okay, not here, this is the no need. Okay, we already did before my class my timetable teachers. Okay, here we make a two parameter class id, another parameter name is a subject id. So we are getting here two IDs. Let me show you like here, so you can understand easily. Class ID and subject ID. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. So no any error. Just click on the my class timetable. So you can see it like 3 means the class ID, 7 means the subject ID. So also we have get here. You can see it here because of the we have passed. Let's close this one. We don't need here. We have passed two parameter class ID and subject ID. Also we have passed here. Okay. So now we need to make here query this class ID and this subject ID against. We need to found all the data, means about the week data. So just copy all things and put here. Okay, now student you can change to here teachers, and here you can make a my timetable. Just change to same as a my timetable. We don't want to change any names, so is no any confusions. Okay, I think now it's clear. Okay, I have created a new file blade.php. So we just need a one data, so we don't need a, this is the first loop. So we can remove the first loops. We don't need. Okay, so we don't need also results. We don't need this results. We don't need. So I am making every clear data so you can understand. So first of all we are get week. So week inside we are getting the all the weeks. So this is the table data we can getting. Like I go to weeks, so you can see it. We are getting this data. Okay. Now after we whatever did, I made a looping. Let's make a comment so I can show you one by one. Okay. After I made a one looping, so let's remove this one. We don't need. This is the also. And here we can change to result to week, so I can show you easily. After I made here looping, so let's make some zoom out. So this looping inside I have created another variable data w is equal to array. So inside I have added like a data w inside week name. So whatever name I will get inside a table, so this is the table name is a week. Inside you can see it like a name column, so I have passed here name column. Okay, after I have created another function inside a class subject timetable. So this is the table class subject timetable. Inside you can view pass like class id, subject id, week id. So you can see it like class id. So we can pass here class id, and here we can pass like a subject id, and last one we have passed is a week id. So let's go to inside these functions. So you can see it class id, subject id, and week id. So we are getting the one record. Only start time, end time, and room number we need. This session we have made this query. Okay, so let's make all the comments. So you can see it like a suppose I get the data, so I pass here start time, end time, and room number, and we have not passed here anything. So let's make also this is the comments. Now let's make a just refresh. Any error there, not there, so we can understand right now no any errors. Okay, so let's make a result is a dd, means the printer function you can use, otherwise dd you can use. Everything is good for you. Okay, let's refresh. So we are getting the array. So here is no any start time, end time is not there. Let's go to back again, and I click on here. So I hope here there not there, like okay, home economics they are 100% there because we have checked in a student side. So let's go to back and refresh the page. So you can see it home economic there's Monday, also showing the room number. So this is the data we need to show in a my timetable inside. So just open these files, and you need to go only student inside. You can see my timetable. Just copy and put here. Okay, let's remove this one we don't need, and also whatever we don't need I can remove. Let's remove some spaces because spaces is not good. So I just removing some spaces, and here also we don't need a message, so just remove the messages. And this is the we don't need week name because week name need, but we just removing right now because we need to show here like a subject name and class name. So just removing, and I can remove this also. Just you can pass here get records, and I remove this ones, and I also remove these ones. So you can see it week, start time, end time, room number, and here we are whatever data we are getting inside a, I close this one, I close this one, here like a array inside this data I have a print here. So let's refresh the page and check now it's working or not working. Okay, now working very well. In one time we will not get any errors, so it's good. So you can see it like start time, end time, room number, and here showing the my timetable. So here we can show like a subject name and class name. So let's get this data and we can show here. So everything's good. I hope you can follow this series and you can enjoy. So let's create a, here we can get a data about class and we can get a data about subject. So we can make dollar data get class, and here you can also pass like a get subjects. Okay, so here class models is equal to get single because we have already done before, and also you can pass like a subject model get single. I can show you, don't worry, once done. Okay, we have already done like get single inside class model and subject model, so you can see it like just you need to go to app, inside model, inside you can see it like a get single because we have done this function. So let's declare this is the controller models. Okay, this is the already done, so let's only use the remaining subject models. So I can declare here subject models here. Okay, now it's good. So let's go back again and refresh the page. Is there any error? Cannot error. Let's see. Okay, no any error, is good. So let's back again. Just we can show here class name. So whatever your class name we can show here. So let's go to database about class and check the name. What's the name there? So just name. I think we can use same as a one dash sign, and here also made a, like a get subjects, yes, and put here name. Let's go to subject tables and here check. Okay, also is name. Okay, let's go back again. This is the page. So you can see the part-time minus means not minus is a dash sign, home economics. So part-time is a class name and this is home economics is a subject name. So you can verify easily, and this is the also data we can put here my class timetable. Here we can make a bracket, inside we can pass. Refresh the page, so you can see it both place. Sometime here we can't found, so people is saying like look like this better, this reason I have put here. And this is the data we have add in admin side. So let's go to class timetables. I can choose the subject part times means class part times and home economics, and I search. So let's make like a 9 AM to 10 AM room number 1. I click on the submit. So data saying working very well, no issue. Just go to back teacher side and refresh the page. So you can see 9 AM to 10 AM room number 1. So automatically get the data about the Tuesday because of the we have already done here. Same like suppose I can make a Sunday is the extra classes 9 AM to 11 AM room number 5. I click on the submit. I go back again and refresh the page so you can see it here. So whatever class timetable do you want to see, just click here so you can see it. Here is no any data because not adding these reasons. Here also not the data, we are not adding these reasons. Okay, I think now it's clear. Here is the data there so you can see it. Why is it 2 time? Not 2 time because home economics 1 time. Suppose you can add a mathematics insights. Let's show you about mathematics only one after we can done this video because everything is clear. This reason 9 AM to 10 AM room number like 1. Let's save. Okay, saying working very well. Let's go back again and I will click on the mathematics we have add data. So just go and you can see it like a Monday we have add this data with we have add a room number. So you can see it in this video. I will explain about the how to add a my class timetable in a teacher side. So teacher know about his timetable. Next video I will show you, like here, suppose this is the part time and this is the subject, so we need to show directly here time for this day. Suppose I am recording this video like 26. Okay, so is it 26, what's the day, like whatever day is showing, suppose the Monday there, so it's showing the Monday data. Suppose there is the Friday, Saturday, whatever data day there, this is the time here showing for this class name, and this is the subject name. Again, means class ID and subject ID we can show here directly, start, end, and room number. Okay, so next video I will show you, and I hope do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.